Here's your pliers used to pull out whatever got stabbed in your tire, whether it's a nail or a screw. Use this to ream the hole out. You take one of your plugs right here, you attach it onto this eyelet right here. You jam this into your tire and twist it. You take this razor right here, use that to cut off the tip of the plug. Use this to air your tire back up. It also comes with new valve seals and just some little tire caps. This right here is your tool to install the valve stem in it if you need it or not. Also comes with a couple Allen wrenches up here. It's a very nice, well-built kit.